here again to teach you guys how to scan for your satellite stations. The first one we did was on our digital stations. Now we are going to teach you how to scan for your satellite stations. So at this point, you navigate to your home. Then when you come to the home, you select channels as the input mode, because that is what we are going to search for, channels. After selecting the channels, you go to settings, then you come to channels, and then channel installation mode. At channel installation mode, we are going to select satellite, because that is what we want to scan. We want to scan for satellite stations. So we select our satellite, we come back to channel scan, and then we scan for our satellite. At this point, we are going to receive so many signals. You can select any of the signals. When you get to this point, you press the right arrow key to move into your scan mode. And then you come to scan type, you select only 3 channels, so that the TV will scan for only 3 channels. At this moment, there will not be encrypted channels in your scanning. And then after selecting only 3 channels, you move down to scan to begin scanning your stations.